Definite integrals, part 7.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept. So here, reduction formula for integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. So here first, let in is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. Okay. Now this can be written as integral 0 to pi by 2. Here sin power nx write as sin power n minus 1x into sin x dx. Okay. So clearly sin power n minus 1x is directly not integrable. So in that case, this is first function and this is second function. And apply the integration by parts formula. So that is sin power n minus 1x integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 derivative of the first function, that is sin power n minus 1x integration of second function, that is sin x dx, so whole dx. Okay. Now clear, this is what sin power n minus 1x integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. So within the limits 0 to pi by 2. So minus integral 0 to pi by 2. So derivative of f of x whole to the power of n. So that is n into n minus 1 into f of x whole to the power of n minus 1. So we will get n minus 1 is n minus 2x into derivative of f of x. So clearly internal derivative of sin x is cos x. And integration of sin x minus cos x. So minus into minus plus cos x dx. So now this is apply the upper limit first. You will get minus sin power n minus 1 pi by 2 cos pi by 2. Minus apply the lower limit, that is minus sin power n minus 1 0 cos 0. Okay. So plus n minus 1 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n minus 2x. So here cos square x write as 1 minus sin square x dx. Now this is cos 90 0, 0 into something 0, and sin 0 0, 0 into something 0. So clearly this value is 0 plus n minus 1 into integral 0 to pi by 2. So multiplying inside, what you get? Sin power n minus 2x minus sin power n minus 2 plus 2. You will get nx dx. Now this can be written as separate the integration. You will get n minus 1 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power n minus 2x minus, so this is n minus 1 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. Okay. So therefore in is equals to n minus 1 into. So you know that integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx is in. So in place of n, n minus 2 is there. So clear, that is in minus 2 minus n minus 1 into. So clear, this value is in. So send this left side, then in is common. You will get 1 plus n minus 1 is equals to n minus 1 in minus 2. So clearly 1 minus 1 get cancel. In is equals to n minus 1 by n in minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. Here in is equals to what? n minus 1 by n in minus 2. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So replace n by n minus 2. So you will get in minus 2 is equals to n minus 2 minus 1, n minus 3 by n minus 2 here, in minus 4. Again replace n by n minus 4 here. So from equation 2, in minus 4 is equals to what? N minus 4 minus 1, n minus 5 by n minus 4, in minus 6, and so on. Therefore clearly this can be written as in is equals to n minus 1 by n. What is in minus 2? N minus 3 by n minus 2. What is in minus 4? This one, n minus 5 by n minus 4, and so on. This is I naught or I1. So according to n is even or odd. Okay. So here if n is even, then 2 minus 2 you will get I naught. So what is I naught value? See here, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 0 is 1, you will get 1 dx. This is x within the limit 0 to pi by 2. So therefore I naught value is pi by 2 when if n is even. If n is odd, then I1 is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Okay. So you know that integration of sin x is minus cos x. So within the limits 0 to pi by 2. So this is what? Minus cos pi by 2, minus into minus plus cos 0. So you will get I1 value is 1. Okay. So therefore integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx is, see here. So what is that? N minus 1 by n. Next n minus 3 by n minus 2, and so on, pi by 2 if n is even. Okay. So next one, n minus 1 by n and n minus 3 by n minus 2, and so on 1 if n is odd. So this is the reduction formula for integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. So see here, in value is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. So here apply the property, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx is what? Integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So therefore integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. So write as integral 0 to pi by 2. So here replace x by a minus x. Here replace x by pi by 2 minus x. That is sin power n pi by 2 minus x dx. So this is integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx. So clearly reduction formula of both sin and cos are same. So next one, reduction formula for integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx. So see this formula. So this is, so write m minus 1, m minus 3, m minus 5, and so on into n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, and so on. So divide by m plus n into m plus n minus 2 into m plus n minus 4, and so on. Okay. So into, okay, see here, first one, if m is even comma n is even. So then k is equals to pi by 2. Second one, otherwise. So means m is odd, n is even, or m is even, n is odd, or both are odd. So in that case, then k value write as 1. So this is the formula for integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx. Now we will discuss few problems. So see the first one, integral 0 to pi x sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. So see here, let I is equals to given integral, that is 0 to pi x sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. Okay. So here apply the property, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx. So write as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So here replace x by a minus x, here replace x by pi minus x. So therefore I is equals to integral 0 to pi x replace pi minus x. So sin of pi minus x, you will get sin x. Cos of pi minus x is minus cos x. So power is even, again you will get cos power 6x dx. And multiplying inside, what you get, integral 0 to pi sin power 7x cos power 6x dx minus this one, again integral 0 to pi by 2 x into this one, x sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. So in order that this value is I from equation 1. So therefore I is equals to pi times of integral 0 to pi sin power 7x cos power 6x dx minus n. So this is 2y is equals to pi times of integral 0 to, so how to write pi, 2 times of pi by 2 sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. Okay. So here apply the property. See here the property is integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. So this is what, 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x. So here replace x by pi minus x, you will get again sin power 7x and again sin cos power 6x. So clearly f of 2a minus x is f of x. So in that case this can be written as, so here 2 times of, that is 2 pi integral 0 to pi by 2 0 to a sin power 7x cos power 6x sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. So this is what, 2y. So 2 get cancelled. So now here apply the reduction formula for integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power 6x dx. So see here, you know that integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx formula. So that is m minus 1 into, next m minus 3 and so on into n minus 1 into n minus 3 and so on. So divide by m plus n minus 2 and so on. So here both m and n are even, then you write here pi by 2, otherwise write 1. So clearly here m is odd, n is even, so clearly write into 1. Okay. See here therefore what is m value, m is equals to 7, n is equal to 6. So substitute here 7 minus 1 6 and 7 minus 3 4 7 minus 5 2 into n is equal to 6 minus 1 5, 6 minus 3, that is 3, 5, 3, 1. So divide by m plus n, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 minus 2, 11. So next number 9, 7, 5, 3 into 1. So clearly here 3, 3 get cancelled, 5, 5 get cancelled. Okay. Now here 3, 2 ja, 3, 3 ja. So here pi is there. So write pi. So therefore this is 16 pi by multiplying this, you will get 3003. So this is the required answer. So see the next question. Integral a to b square root of x minus a into b minus a dx value is pi by 8 b minus a whole square. So see the solution. Integral a to b square root of x minus a into b minus x dx. So consider the LHS value. So here put x is equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta and differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You will get dx is equals to a into derivative of cos square theta, that is 2 cos theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, plus b into 2 sin theta, derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So here 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta is common, that is what sin 2 theta is common. So what you get, b minus a. This is what, d theta. So here also d theta. So dx value is sin 2 theta into b minus a into d theta. And find x minus a value. So what is x value? A cos square theta plus b sin square theta minus a. So this is what, b sin square theta. Here minus a is common. You will get 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta. So clearly this can be written as b minus a into sin square theta. So this is x minus a value. And find b minus x value. So what is x value? A cos square theta and minus b sin square theta. So here b is common, you will get 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta minus a cos square theta. So therefore b minus x value is what? B minus a into cos square theta. Okay. And clearly lower and upper limit also changes. Okay. So what is the lower limit? So this is equation 1. First, if x is equals to a, so from equation 1, a is equals to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Okay. So send this value left side, then it becomes a minus a cos square theta. So in that a is common, you will get 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta, is equals to what? B sin square theta. So therefore this is a minus b into sin square theta is equals to 0. Therefore clear this is not equal to 0. So sin square theta is equals to 0. So theta value is 0. So lower limit is 0. And find upper limit. If x is equals to b. Okay. Again substitute here, what you get? B is equals to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. So send left side, it becomes b minus b sin square theta. So b is common, 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta minus a cos square theta equals to 0. Again b minus a into cos square theta equals to 0. So this is not equal to 0. Therefore cos theta is equals to 0. So theta is equals to pi by 2. So this is the upper limit. So therefore this integral can be written as integral a to b. So what is the lower limit? 0, upper limit is pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 square root of x minus a value, that is b minus a into sin square theta, and b minus x value, b minus a into cos square theta, and dx value, that is sin 2 theta. So write as 2 sin theta cos theta into b minus a into d theta. So therefore this is what? Integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of b minus a whole square, that is b minus a into b minus a, b minus a whole square. Square root of sin square theta is sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. So similarly cos square theta. So 2 is there right outside of the integration. So this is what? 2 times of b minus a whole square integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta here d theta cos square theta d theta. So clear it in the form of integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx. So apply the formula, that is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx form. So what is that? m minus 1, m minus 3 and so on into n minus 1, n minus 3 and so on. So divide by m plus n minus 2 and so on. Okay. So here both are even, then clearly you write pi by 2. Okay. So clearly m is equals to 2, n is equals to 2. So clearly this is what? 2 times of b minus a whole square. So here m minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 1 into n minus 1 2 minus 1 1. So divide by m plus n, 2 plus 2 4 into m plus n minus 2, you will get 2. So into pi by 2. So 2 get cancelled. This is pi into b minus a whole square by 8. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss more problems.